The history of fire. Fire is one of the most important discoveries in human history because it changed the way people lived in many ways. Early humans learned how to use fire for light during the dark nights when there was no other source of brightness. Fire also gave them warmth in cold weather, making it possible to survive in places with low temperatures. With fire, people could cook their food, which made it safer to eat and easier to digest. They also used fire to protect themselves from dangerous wild animals that were afraid of flames. Fire was not only a tool for survival, but also a great step in the progress of human knowledge. From the very beginning, fire was a powerful force that changed human life forever. In the early days, fire was made from natural sources like lightning strikes that set trees on fire. People had to wait until they found fire in nature before they could use it for their needs. Later, they discovered how to make fire by rubbing two sticks together or by striking stones to create sparks. This discovery was very important because it allowed them to have fire whenever they needed it. Fire gave humans more control over their environment and made life much safer. It also helped people gather in groups around the fire, which started the idea of communities. Fire was the center of social life and gave people a reason to stay together. As time passed, people found many more uses for fire in their daily lives and in building civilizations. They used fire to make tools and weapons stronger by working with metals. Fire was also used to make pottery and bricks, which helped create houses and villages. Later, people used fire for transportation, such as in steam engines that made trains and ships move. Fire became an important part of industry, helping to create machines and new technology. It was not only for survival, but also for growth and development in human history. Fire opened doors to new possibilities and greater progress in every area of life. Today, fire is still very important, but we use it in safer and more controlled ways. We have stoves, ovens, heaters, and many machines that work with fire or heat. Firefighters are trained to control dangerous fires and protect people from accidents. Fire is also used in celebrations, like candles on a birthday cake or fireworks in the sky. Even though we have electricity now, fire continues to be a part of human culture and daily living. It reminds us of the long journey of humanity and how a simple discovery changed the entire world. The history of fire is the history of progress and survival, and it is still a symbol of power and life. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment, and follow us for more.